Hi, this is a screen capture to show you how to do mean, median, and mode in Excel. I've opened a data set called Major Salary. This is from the data set that was with your book. I just picked some data, so I picked the one called Major Salary. I think it's either Chapter 2 or Chapter 3. You can open it so you can follow along if you'd like. Notice it has majors and then the monthly salaries, and it's got, I think, 111 observations. Yeah, because we have this headings up here, we have 111 observations, which is a lot of information to find the average, but we can do it really easy in Excel. The first thing is to figure out where you want the information to report. I'm going to just click over here somewhere. That's where I want the Excel to report the information. So I'm going to put the mean over here. Okay, and I click on that cell where I want the mean to show up. Then I click on the FX in the formula bar, and that brings up this function dialog box. Notice I have some things here I've been using, but if those aren't there, up here where it says type a description, just put average and hit go, and it will bring it up for you in the list. Once it's there in the list, make sure it's selected, not something else, but make sure average is selected. And notice it gives you a little description here just to make sure you've picked the right one. And then click OK. When you click OK, it should bring up this dialog box where it's asking you to fill in some numbers. Notice it asks you for number 1, number 2. You might have your data in several columns, and you might do 1 column, 2 columns, that kind of thing. I just have 1 column of numbers, so I'm going to go over here and select the top number, hold down with my cursor, and select all of that data running all the way down. All 111 of these observations. Make sure I get them all. Okay. And then I'm just going to click OK. And notice there's my mean. That's as fast as it is. Really easy to do. Below it, I'm going to put the median. And so I want to make sure I click in the cell next to it, hit FX, and I'm going to go up here and type median and hit go. And notice it brings up the median. So I'm going to click OK, that's what I want. And I'm going to go ahead again and select the data that I want to use, which is all 111 observations again. All the way down here to the bottom. There we go. And hit OK. And there's the median. So you can see that the mean is 4,040 and the mean is 4,045. This is really close. So I would put the mean and the median are really close. So almost normal distribution. I say they're really close because they're only $5 off when you're talking about $4,000 overall. So that's a very small difference. Now we'll actually do a test for normal distribution a little bit. So there's the mean, the median. Now let's look at the mode. Okay, so click where you want the mode to report, hit the FX, type in the mode function, hit go. There comes the mode, select it, hit OK, and now select your data again that you want the mode. All the way down, all 111 observations, there we are, and hit OK. And there's the mode, mean, median, and mode. Pretty simple, easy to do.